Computer technicians must have knowledge of how to maintain computers and the software that runs them. This includes understanding how to update computer programs, install new hardware and troubleshoot issues with operating systems. It's also important for technicians to know how to repair or replace broken parts on a computer. For example, if a hard drive fails, they should be able to remove it and install a new one. Hardware installation is the process of installing computer components such as processors, memory and hard drives. Computer technicians often need to install hardware on a regular basis, so it's important for them to have knowledge about how to do this correctly. This skill can help them save time when they're working with clients who are purchasing new computers or upgrading their existing ones. Computer technicians often install software on computers, which can include operating systems and applications. This is an important skill because it allows you to troubleshoot issues with hardware and software when a computer isn't working properly. You may also need to install new programs or updates for existing programs. Problem-solving skills are necessary for computer technicians to be able to fix computers. Computers can have many different issues, so it's important that a technician knows how to identify and solve them. For example, if a computer isn't working properly because of a software issue, the technician may need to find an update or install new software to fix it. Troubleshooting is the ability to identify and solve problems. As a computer technician, you may need to troubleshoot issues with hardware or software. For example, if a customer's computer isn't working properly, you might be able to fix it by identifying the problem and making adjustments accordingly. Troubleshooting can also help you find solutions when there are unknown errors on a computer. Thanks for watching. For more updates, please subscribe my channel.